What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another amazing recipe. On this video, we are making soft and layered butternut chapati. These chapatis are heavenly. I've never made my chapati in any other way apart from the normal chapati, salt, sugar, and flour. And I tell you, this one slaps differently. If you haven't tried this pumpkin chapati, try them. I guarantee you will love them and you will be making your chapatis always like this. So yummy. I'm going to use butternut squash. You can use any pumpkin you have. So I'm just going to peel it and cut it into smaller pieces. The butternut is a bit harder, so just check your knife before trying to peel them. You need a very sharp knife to do this. Once I'm done with the peeling, I'll cut them into small pieces. Guys, I hope you find this content helpful. If you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Like, share, and help it grow. I'll be so grateful. Let's take this video to viral. Let's make it viral. Once I'm done, I'm going to boil them in a salty water. It will boil for less than 30 minutes until it's soft and tender. You can check with a fork to ensure it's super soft. I will drain the excess water and keep it aside. I will use it when kneading my dough. I will use this masher to mash my pumpkins until it's super soft. My pumpkin is soft and smooth, and you can see there's no lumps. That is how it should be. I got this recipe somewhere in IG, and it calls for 1 cup of the puree. So I will measure mine with the cup. I will use 1 cup of butternut squash and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I've already added my salt and sugar. If you're adding sugar, don't add more. Mine was 1 tablespoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt because I've already boiled my butternut with some salt. And also the pumpkin has its own sugar. You'll need the dough until all the flour is dissolved or has cooperated. Then add in your oil. I'm using cooking fat to a sticky dough. Here we don't want a firm dough. We want a super soft dough. So at this point, don't even add any flour. Just knead it and it will just come together. It's still a little bit sticky. I will add some cooking fat, just a little. Give it a good mix until it's well combined and not sticky anymore. Just like that. You can see it's not sticking in my hands anymore, so it's well done. I will transfer my dough into a flat surface and knead it some more. Done. Grease your bowl with some cooking oil and transfer your dough inside there. Then cover it and let it rest for 40 to 1 hour. Use a damp towel. 1 hour is gone and my dough is super stretchy. I will go ahead, flour my surface and cut them into small pieces and form a ball. This dough is going to give me 10 chapatis, the medium ones. I'm one of those analog people who believe chapati should only be done the old way style. Just contain 3 ingredients: oil, flour, and sugar and salt. I must confess, I am hooked up. I'm doing voiceover, by the way. I tried these chapatis and I'm hooked up. Kindly let me know in the comment section below if you are like me, who only love their chapatis done the old ways. But now it's time to learn, and we can even unlearn some things, right? We learn every day anyway. Once done, put them aside and cover them with a kitchen towel to prevent them from drying out. It's time to roll out our dough and oil them. Dust your work surface and even your rolling pin to stop the dough from sticking on the surface. At this point, just roll out your dough anyhowly. Shape doesn't matter at this stage. Oil your dough evenly up to all edges. Then roll it. This is how we create layers. This stage is very important. Stretch it a bit and roll it in. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then tuck it in, and there, that one is done. Put it aside and cover it with a kitchen towel. Repeat the same process as first. Roll it out and oil it. We'll repeat this until all the dough is done. If you haven't liked this video up to this end, what are you still waiting for? Kindly watch the video up to the end. Don't miss any step. It's very important if you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Now all our chapati dough is ready. And don't forget to cover it with a kitchen towel. It's time to roll out and cook them. Preheat your pan. Set your stove into a medium heat. At this point is when you can know if your dough was well done. And if your dough is well done, you will not have difficulty in rolling out your dough. It rolls so easily and smooth and flawless. As you can see at this point, we really want that shape, that round shape. And don't roll it so thin, not so thick, just that way. If you haven't mastered this, just continue. You will know anyway. Bora chapati imeiva. Place your chapati dough in a preheated pan. At this point, our flame is low, medium low. Warm the other side and flip it. Then apply the oil on the top. We are not using a lot of oil because our chapati was kneaded with oil. This is a melted cooking fat. Just apply evenly. Then once you've seen that bubble, flip it over and let the other part side cook. Just like that, we have a beautiful chapati. Look at it, the yellow color and the aroma here, I tell you. Look at how our chapatis are coming out. The chapatis are amazing. And it tastes so sweet, just like the color and even the picture. If you haven't tried pumpkin chapatis before, then go ahead and try this recipe and make sure to follow the ingredient and follow everything to the letter. And trust me, you will love it. And don't forget to bring back your feedback. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video up to this end. It was nice hanging out with you guys. Thank you. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The outcome is amazing. We really enjoy them. You can enjoy these chapatis with any stew or any curry of your choice. Even if you're a vegan, you can have any vegan stew. And the chapati are soft, as you can see, very foldable and even lovable. See the way it has layers and soft. You're not forcing anything here. Look at it. Look at it. It was nice hanging out with you guys. See you in my next video. I hope you try this recipe. Thank you.